Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the PWC Trader app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. PWC Trader is a marketplace app designed for buying, selling, and trading personal watercraft, parts, and accessories. It offers users an easy way to browse listings, post items for sale, and communicate securely with potential buyers or sellers. The app integrates search filters, listing highlights, and account management tools, making trading efficient and organized. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate the app for its clean interface, intuitive navigation, and active community of watercraft enthusiasts. It allows buyers to quickly find specific jet skis or parts, while sellers can reach a wider audience. Many users also like that the app supports secure messaging and offers options to promote listings for better visibility. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report outdated or limited listings in certain regions, occasional technical glitches, and the fact that premium listing features require payment. Additionally, as with any marketplace, ensuring safe transactions requires caution. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the PWC Trader app may be worth using if you're a watercraft enthusiast looking for a specialized marketplace to buy, sell, or trade efficiently. It shines in convenience, community engagement, and secure communication. However, if your area has limited listings or you're not comfortable with online trading, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.